Hello, my name is Hamza Orak. I am 19 years old. I am studying computer engineering at Ege University for 3 years. First year was a prep school and right now I am in second class. I would like to join work and travel program because I wanna improve myself and English. I experience different culture. I would like to travel to America. I love meeting new people and learning from them. Let me tell you about a little myself. I'm hardworking and responsible person and I'm so energetic person and quick learner. My hobbies are playing football, basketball, chess, swimming, and I like to hang out with my friends. I have some experience. Firstly, I was a waiter in a restaurant for 2 months and after that I worked in a shipyard. These jobs taught to me how to communicate well with customers and work in a team. It also helped to me become more responsible and hardworking. Thanks for listening.